Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Sofirn. Now this here is their SP35. Comes in this box. Now they sent this to me, they wanted me to test and review this light. So let's wait no further, let's open it up, see what's in it. Start off with the user manual. Now this is multi-languages, and we're going to concentrate here on this chart there. Sorry, the camera's shadowed there. 2000 lumens on the highest output. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, we're going to move on. USB charging cable. This is a Type C. 2 O-rings, 1 lanyard, 1 clip. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the light. And there it is. Now right offhand, I really like the way they went with this all black button on there. Normally that's gray. Now you can table stand that if you need. And here is the charging port there. Knurling here on the barrel. Semi-gloss finish. Pretty compact. Will fit right in the palm of your hand. Great for everyday carry. Style and design on this is nice. I'm not seeing any issues. A little bit of heat sinking here on the head, but not very much. And the machining and finish on this is very nice. I have not seen any issues on any Sofirn product I've ever received from them. And I belong to their Facebook group, also featured them in my group and on my channel. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at the smooth reflector. Try to get a good close-up here. Now this is running the luminous SST40 LED. Alright, so now let's go ahead and open it up and I'll show you the insides. Dual tail spring there, and you need it. This puts out 2000 lumens, so well greased threads. Take the battery that it comes with. Now there is a little protection piece here you want to remove. The battery here that it comes with is a 4000 milliamp. This is a rewrapped OEM cell. If you recognize that, you'll know a lot of power behind this battery. It is unprotected, They use quality cells, which is a huge plus. This is a 20 amp cell, so it should provide plenty of power. Straight contact point here on the head. Show it to you now. A lot of grease there on those threads as well. So now let's go through the UI. Battery is very nice and tight in there. You can use any OEM flat top cell, which is a huge plus because you're in business. You've got extra 21700 cells, you're ready to go. All you got to do is swap it out, or you can charge it on the go. I'm going to turn it on. That's your battery level indicator there. This will turn red, start to blink when it's getting critically low. And you're going to press and hold, or you can hold it down. Take a look here at the beam. Very nice combination beam. Does have quite a bit of bleeding around that edge of the hotspot. Look at that spill. Same brightness all the way to the tip of that hotspot there. And then from there, same light output all the way to the edge. Nice cutoff. Very nice combination beam performance. It's going to be narrow because of that head. So now we're going to go ahead and double click. We'll get you the 2000 lumens. And this battery here, being able to run the bigger milliamp cells is a huge plus. Now this will cycle down due to heat, which is perfectly normal because this will start getting pretty warm. I'm filling it now. And the turbo does pretty good, especially for this size of light. I'm going to press it back down, and then from off you can press and hold to get the lowest light output that this can do. Very low moonlight. Now on any light level you can triple click the side switch. 1, 2, 3 will get you strobe, and that is a variable speed on the flash, and that is distracting. And now if you want the SOS, you double click, we'll get you SOS. Click it one time, it does shut the light off, but don't worry, this light does have memory mode. Shut it off there. Does have memory mode. And that's all there is to this light. Pretty straightforward. I like the design. They're keeping with their host but always upgrading, which is always a huge plus. And Sofirn does make some very nice quality budget lights, some of the best ones you can get on the market. Alright, well let's wait no further. Let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Sofirn SP35. We're going to start it off on moonlight, and it is on. You can see. Great for close-up. They're needing just enough light here. Believe it or not, you can see a lot pitch blackness with this. especially as your eyes adjust. Alright, we're going to go to the next level here on the fence. Nice little light output there, works well. See the beam there on the fence, give you an idea. Faintly making 65 feet there. And it's making a water spout that's 35 feet from where I'm standing. Get an idea there. Alright, let's go to the next level. See how it does. Spill has come alive. Very nice combination beam performance on this, making 138 feet there on the Tree of Life. Nice spill, usable. Tree line, fence line, you can see there. There's the next level. Nice light level spacing, making it across the park to those playgrounds now. And it is faintly making 238 feet now. 138 feet here to the Tree of Life. I list all my distances in a link below all my videos, my most recent ones that is, for the last 7-8 months. There's the next level. Nice light output on here, as you can see the beam, very nice combination beam. Especially for this size of light. And you can see those parks a lot better now. To those playgrounds. It's quite a ways away. Tree line, fence line, tree line, fence line. So now we're going to go ahead and do turbo, see how it does. Nice. A lot of light coming out of this little thing. Pan over here to the Tree of Life. Look at that. 238 feet there, even better now. And the run times on turbo are pretty impressive. Faintly making those palm trees, as you can see. Do a before and after here. Boom. Now this light will step down due to heat. Starting to feel pretty toasty on here. But we'll be done before the cycle down. Beam profile here. Yeah, okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Very nice combination beam on this. Probably one of the best I've seen on a light this size. Light output is impressive, 2000 lumens. This does get really toasty, but it will cycle down. This has really good run times at 2000 lumens. It will cycle down, like I said, due to heat, which is perfectly normal. It's not made to run on turbo consistently, but it did really well on medium and high without any issues regarding cycling down. Now, that will also depend on how hot it is in your area that you live. Build quality, of course, has always been what I expect from Sofirn, which is the best your money can buy. Alright, well now let me go ahead and put the clip here on it. Only goes one way, can't put it on this way. Put it on here, put it on there. I usually put it right about the charging port. This is a two-way clip, so if you want to carry it either way in your pocket, also carry it on your baseball cap or your helmet. A little on the heavy side, but you can do it. Well, I want to thank Sofirn for sending me this SP35 to review. Now, if this is something you're interested in getting, I will leave a link down in the description to where you can get this. I'm also working on a special discount code. Once I get that, I'll put that there as well. That'll help save some money on this, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring some of these new lights from Sofirn to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care.